Friends, have you ever looked to make money online? Unlock a world of possibilities, earn while you play with Hamster Kombat. It's a Telegram-based play-to-earn game, yes, but it's also a phenomenon. It's more than just a game. It's a community where friendships are forged and rivalries are born. Fans create art, write stories, and share their love for the game online. The premise is simple. You tap the screen, like a lot. Each tap earns you coins. These coins level up your hamster. A leveled-up hamster fights better, and fights are where the real dough is made. We're talking leaderboards, tournaments, the whole shebang. Now, you might think this is all a bit, well, nuts. And you'd be right, but here's the thing, millions of people are already on board. There's a real sense of community here. It's like having a side hustle, but way less soul-crushing. The app itself is a thing of beauty. Bright, colorful, and easy to navigate. The developers have clearly put a lot of thought into making sure that every element is visually appealing and functional. The vibrant colors and playful design elements make it a joy to use. And the intuitive layout ensures that you can find what you're looking for without any hassle. The interface is so straightforward that it doesn't matter if you're tech-savvy or not. The best part? It's free to play. You don't have to spend a dime to enjoy the full experience of the game. The game offers plenty of content and features that are available to all players, ensuring that everyone can have fun regardless of their budget. So, dive in and start playing. So, there you have it. Hamster Kombat is not just another mobile game. It's an experience that combines fun, strategy, and a bit of luck. Hamster Kombat is fun, addictive, and potentially lucrative. With its engaging gameplay and vibrant graphics, it's easy to get lost in the world of battling hamsters. It's the perfect way to kill time, and maybe even make a little money on the side. The game offers various rewards and incentives that keep you coming back for more. So whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, Hamster Kombat has something for everyone. So if you haven't tried it yet, what are you waiting for? Download Hamster Kombat today and join the fun. In the end, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos like this one.